Chances are you've seen your share of bandsaws. We have too. In fact, we run ours day and night so that more than 25,000 Alro customers can have their metal and plastic the next business day. From bar cutting to plate sawing, we can cut any of the 30,000 products from our inventory. Alro utilizes state-of-the-art saw cutting technology to produce cut pieces faster and more accurate than our competition. Alro has made the investment so you don't have to. Let Alro deliver your material cut to size, whether it's one piece or 1,000. Alro, increasing the pace and reducing the cost of manufacturing. Your one-stop shop for metals and plastics, cut to size, delivered next day.